first thing is to realize that Brazil is a very peculiar market. It's not by chance, for example, when I told you that there was a large concentration in the banking industry in Brazil, and then you had several banks, global banks coming to Brazil and basically saying, now we're going to show how things are really done. And, 15 years later, the only one that actually remained is Santander, and basically because they actually acquired a very large Brazilian bank. So I tell you that because it's a very peculiar market. And so you need to understand the inner things of the market in order to thrive. At the same time, if you look at the population, it's one of the most early adopters population in Brazil. So people are not afraid to try new things.
Why is that?
I don't know, man. I think it's like the culture, right? And also, I think that one thing that is, I think it's quite amazing about Brazil is that since the volatility is always there and very high, people here are used to adapting to new conditions. And that's true for the customers, but even more true for companies. So if you get people that have been through Brazil, for a while, they're going to be top managers because they're used to, all this volatility that you see currently in the U.S.
Right.
This is common ground for us. And
welcome.
Once you've gone through all of those ups and downs constantly, so you kind of we'll get through it and we'll manage it. So I think that's also something very true about Brazil. Volatility is high. At the same time, you see that opportunity is also very high. So if you can navigate through that, then the opportunities are large and just there to grab.